Welcome to this week's Energy Market Wrap from Enverus. Let's get you up to speed on the latest across energy markets. We start in U.S. upstream, where operators are leaning into execution and efficiency gains. BKV is delivering roughly a 20% uplift in Barnett well performance through enhanced completions and data-driven optimization, all with minimal incremental cost. Range Resources is also positioning for growth, with new processing infrastructure and an upcoming LPG export terminal set to unlock a large, drilled but uncompleted inventory and drive a production ramp into next year. And in Alaska, Santos has begun continuous production at Pikka, with output expected to reach 80,000 barrels per day at Plateau later this year. Across the board, the theme is clear: infrastructure plus execution equals growth. Deal activity is reinforcing that outlook. Kimball has closed a Permian royalty acquisition, continuing consolidation in mineral and royalty positions. Meanwhile, Marubeni is expanding its U.S. gas exposure with a full buyout of its Barnett operating partner, part of a broader wave of international capital targeting North American gas. And in the Haynesville, 6th Street has taken a stake in Comstock's gathering system, backing infrastructure tied to future demand growth. The common thread is confidence in long-term gas demand tied to LNG and power. That demand is showing up clearly in midstream. Energy Transfer is adding major ethane export capacity on the Gulf Coast, and the project is already fully subscribed under long-term contracts. Venture Global is also expanding its footprint, securing additional LNG offtake into Europe while refinancing debt to extend maturities. Export infrastructure remains a key pillar of the U.S. energy growth story. In oilfield services, activity continues to track global project execution. Baker Hughes has secured a lifecycle services contract tied to a major Nigerian gas processing facility, while also progressing its planned merger with Chart Industries through regulatory review. The focus remains on long-term service agreements and integrated digital capabilities. International upstream rounds out the picture. Azul Energy has taken FID on a large offshore Angola development targeting more than 250 million barrels, reinforcing continued investment in global deepwater projects. And Murphy has made a new offshore discovery in Côte d'Ivoire, pointing to ongoing exploration momentum in West Africa. Global supply growth remains anchored by offshore developments. Finally, in power and energy transition, demand growth is reshaping investment. Chevron is advancing a large-scale gas-fired power project in the Permian to supply a Microsoft data center, highlighting the link between energy and AI-driven electricity demand. At the same time, renewable capacity continues to scale, with the largest U.S. wind project now online and a major solar plus storage facility ramping in Utah. Geothermal and lithium-linked developments are also gaining traction, adding new layers to the energy mix. The takeaway: power demand is accelerating faster than ever. Keep your finger on the pulse of the energy industry with Enverus publications. Our experienced writers cut through the noise and deliver insights that help you stay ahead of the curve. To learn more, reach out to business development at enverus.com or visit enverus.com. Thanks for listening.